Kesha, remember, don't play ball in the house. You could break something or get hurt. But Kesha thought to herself, I'll be careful. She spun around and bounced the ball hard, then crash! The lamp hit the ground, broken. Kesha froze. What if her little baby cousin had been nearby? Kesha sat on the floor, sad. Her mama knelt beside her and said, I know you didn't mean to, but rules are here to keep us safe. That's why God tells children to always listen to their parents. The Bible says, children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor your father and mother so you may live a long life. The next day, Kesha played outside. Her baby cousin giggled nearby. Kesha smiled at Mama, knowing listening isn't just about rules. It's about love and protection. It can even save a life. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and come back next week to learn about God's love. Just